So hello guys, welcome to Java Jason, and in this video we can talk about how you can prepare for AWS exam, which is AWS Cloud Practitioner exam or any other exam. Okay, so if your company is asking to prepare for the AWS exam or you are planning yourself to prepare AWS exam, so how you can do it? So basically what you have to do is you have to follow some process because it's not easy or it's not hard also. But if you follow something rules, definitely you can clear very easily. Okay, let me share my screens and I will show you like what are the steps you have to follow to clear the AWS exam. Okay, so let me share my screen. I hope you are able to see my screen here. Okay, so how to clear for the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification is I'm going to explain step by step in very details. So don't worry about it. Okay. So the problem is like the peoples are not starting and they are every day they're just thinking like how can I clear the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification or other certification as well. So what you have to do is you have to be some dedicated for some times and you have to practice every day. You have to learn every day some of the services. Okay. So let's start now. So first step is go to the AWS skill builders. Okay. And you can create your account and you can enroll in that course, which I have given below. AWS Cloud Practitioner Essential. AWS Skill Builder Centers become a cloud practitioner quiz. So they will give you a quiz also. So once you complete the AWS Cloud Practitioner, give the quiz. Like how much marks you got that time. You can evaluate yourself. Okay. And again, you can take some other quiz also. AWS Skill Center become a cloud practitioner, half quiz, full quiz. So first complete this. It's a very, very important AWS Cloud Practitioner Essential. Once you complete this particular course completely, then you are capable to go and take the quiz. Okay. Once you take the quiz, you understood like how much I understood as of now. Okay. And you can also evaluate yourself. Okay. So these things you can do very easily. Okay. Let me go to the here and I will show you like how you can register. So Google and I have logged in it. And now I have to install in that course, which is I have shown you. In this course, I have to install. How can I do it? So you can just type skillbuilder.aws, skillbuilder, AWS. Once you search it, you can get some URL. Based on that URL, you can go to that website. Okay, skill builders. Here they will provide you unlimited course, free of cost. No anybody will charge you anything. Okay, once you go here, they will give you the signing option. So you can do the signing, or if you have a free account, you can create it also. So I have already created the account. So if you're not created, go here and create a skill builder individual. It's recommended, but if you are going with the company, you can go with the partners also. But you have to give your company email if they are supporting. You can create here your account. I have already created. So let me give my email ID. Gmail, Gmail, gmail.com. Don't send any email. I'm not taking this email ID. Okay. And here we have a password. Okay. You can give your captcha. So 3W2X. Once you give it, they're saying, sorry, we didn't catch. Okay, beginning to see. Okay, so finally I redirected to my page, which is AWS Skill Builder. In the Skill Builders, what you can do is, okay, once you created the account, you can redirect to that page, a skill builder, and then after you can see self-placed digital training. Okay, so they have given some pad also, but no need to take pad. Okay, you can prepare for the free also. Okay, you can go down here and they will give the option to search the browse all courses. So they have given all those courses here. So you can just apply your filter like your price should be free. Okay, and language should be English. If you are some other country, you have to select based on that. So I'm selecting the English. They will not provide you Hindi. Okay, and simply you can search here AWS Cloud Essential Practitioner. Just search it. So fundamental of analysis AWS Cloud Practitioner. So this one is one of that. You can click on that and simply you can enroll it. You can click enroll. And after that, you can start watching this complete video. Whatever the text materials they will provide you, please go through that and read about each and every topics. That is my recommendation. It will help you more while giving exam. Okay, let me go here. So after that, once you complete this AWS Cloud Practitioner, you feel, hey, I know all those services, at least 40 or 50 services, you feel like I understood. What next? Then I will suggest you learn some services individually. Individually means some of the services required in the exam in depth. So if you have a good knowledge and depth knowledge on that services, then you can get good marks. Okay, for preparing for the AWS, we required 700 marks. They will give 65 questions. They will give 90 minutes time. Based on that, you have to do it. So I will suggest you to go those services, which is EC2. Okay, this is the some of the services which is very important, which is EC2, IMA, Lambda, database, EFS, EBS, RDS, DynamoDB, S3. If you have a depth knowledge in that, then you can easily crack it. CloudWatch, CloudFront, CAF, AWS will architecture framework. If you learn the AWS essential completely, thoroughly, then only you can able to give those answers. Otherwise, no. Okay. And after that, I'm suggesting to go individually each and every service and learn all those things. Once you complete these services, go here and practice, practice, and practice. Why practice, practice, practice? Because they are giving you a quiz, and quiz maybe like sometimes you understood, sometimes you not understood. So if you do more practice, then you can easily catch up the questions with some keyword and you can mark your answer correct one. Okay, so for that I'm saying practice, practice, practice. And what you have to do is, for the practice, I already suggest you some quiz. You can go to the online and you can do the practice of the quiz, and some YouTube channels which I'm going to suggest you. Please go and watch those videos. It's a very, very important. And online some website also we have, from that you can practice it. And a skill builder practice questions. Okay, they will give you itself in the skill builder essential course also and other course also. So with that you can go and you can prepare it. Once you prepare, I will suggest you the YouTube channel name. Okay, we can go to the YouTube. Okay, in YouTube you can search AWS Cloud Practitioner, AWS Cloud Practitioner exam questions. Okay, it will come some website, but I'm going to suggest you this one. Okay, so how you have to learn this? Okay, let me open this. So this is one of the playlists. So in that playlist, if you see, they have given AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam dumb questions, CLF 02. What you have to do is, they have given list of the questions here. Go with that. Okay, try to watch each and every video. And also remember, the last 2-3 videos is very, very important. So don't forget those also. So from starting to end, you have to learn each and everything, and you have to do the practice. Okay, then after, once you complete it, you can get confidence. And when you have to learn again, you have to do this before one day exam. So before one day exam, definitely you can go and learn those videos. Then only you can get more chance to satisfied and clear the exam with the good marks. Okay, some quiz we have also. AWS Cloud Practitioner, not certificate, certification practice exam questions. So you can go down, and we have some flashcard. One website is flashcard. I will show you here. Here also you can do the practice like Biz Labs. They're also giving lots of the questions. In LinkedIn also they are giving some of the questions for the practice. Okay, but I will suggest flashcard. Where is it? Okay, you can search here, practice questions flashcard. Okay, once you search these flashcards, they will give AWS Cloud Practitioner flashcard. Once you open it, they will give you one, I think 190 or 195 questions for you. And through that you can practice. So for example, if you see here, they have given 93 questions here right now. Okay, so 93 questions also, it's fine, and you can practice it. They will give the questions and answer also. Based on that you can practice. Okay, let me open some other one. This one, flashcard. So if you go here, if you see, they have given 195 questions. Okay, so what you have to do is, you have to give the full screens. And in the full screen, you can see the questions. You can give the given the option. If you click on that, they will provide you the answer also. Okay, go to the next question, give the answer, see the answer also. give the answer, see the answer and correct, and you can go. So this is also very, very important. Okay, through that you can practice, and 195 question is enough. Once you practice, you can get more clarity on your AWS services also. Okay, and please don't forget to watch these all videos, because it's a very, very important, and it's a very good channel also. Here you can go and you can watch all those videos. Okay, and before the exams, I will suggest you go and watch this video, which is January or December. They have put it here. Okay, so if you watch those 2-3 videos at the before the exam, you can get good marks in your AWS certification, which is Cloud Practitioner. Okay, and it's depend on you, like you are going to complete these entire things in 1 week or 1 days or 2 days. It's depend on you only. So a skill builder, if you see, it's a 7 hours course. Correct. So if you complete this 7 hours, I don't think you can complete it, because it's too much text they have given, too much concept they have given in the written format. So those also you have to learn, not only videos. Okay, along with video is just you can understood, but if you have to learn text also. So I will give you the time, like almost you have to this complete with 2 or 3 days. Then after go to the AWS, the services, try to learn all those playlist videos. And this one, I think you can complete 3 or 4 days. It's enough. And then after go to the flashcard, and here, while doing your work itself, you can do the practice of the flashcard. It will, for me, it's taken 2 days, but you can complete 1 day also if you sit properly and if you have a dedications. Okay. So this is the 3 things. So I will suggest you in 10 days, if you are too much dedicated, if you are not dedicated, you can complete those entire thing very relaxed way in 1 month, and it's easy to clear your exam. But at the end, bonus point, don't miss these questions, and then only go to the exam. Okay, so I hope guys you understood. If you have any questions, and I will tell you, like I have already cleared the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to give you the some suggestion, like how you can clear also very easily. Okay, while doing your job also, because I'm doing a jobs, I have to maintain each and everything along with my times, work, everything. So in that, I am able to clear it. How I have cleared, I have given the rough overview, but it's depend on you, your hard work, how you can prepare for that, and you can easily crack it. Okay, thank you so much.